Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to make kharda mutton or spicy green mutton and mutton soup. For this we require oil, chili, chopped onion, coriander, garlic, half kg mutton. I have mixed it with turmeric powder and salt and keep aside for half an hour. Garam masala, cumin seeds, coconut cream, salt. First I am going to make kharda. It's called thesa or it's green chili chutney. For this I am going to fry chilies, garlic and onion in a pan. Now I have taken a pan. Now I am going to add oil in it. Now I have added oil. Just wait for 2 to 3 minutes to make it hot. Now oil is heated well. Now I am going to add garlic. Be careful. Now I am going to add chopped chili. You must chop the chilies, otherwise it will split on your face. Now chili is fried well. Now I am taken it out. Now I am going to add onion into it. Chopped onion. Now I am going to fry it till its color become brown. Fried well, it becomes pinkish brown in color. Now I am going to off the burner. Now I have separated in another pot. Wait till it's cool down and add coriander and jeera and salt and make a smooth paste of it. Now our kharda or thesa or green masala is ready now. Now I am going to make mutton soup. Now I am going to make mutton soup. For this we require one cooker. Now I am going to add oil in it. Wait till oil will be hot. Now oil is heated well. Now I am going to add bay leaf and cloves, 2 cloves and 3 to 4 pepper. Going to add mutton into it. Now I have added mutton into it. Just wait till all this water vaporized out and the size of the mutton pieces is reduces. Now it's done. Now I am going to add water into it. I have added water till the all mutton will be covered in water. It's around half of the cooker. Now I am going to add salt into it. Stir it well. Now I am going to close the lid and make 4 whistles. Off the burner, I made 4 whistles. Just wait for 15 minutes till it cool down. Don't make a hurry to open it. Now cooker is cooled down. Now I am going to open the lid. Now I am going to separate the mutton from the stock. Now I have separated mutton within the stock. Now I am going to make mutton soup of it. Now I am going to add already prepared that green chili paste or kharda into that mutton stock. Like this. Just add how much spicy you want. I am going to add garam masala. Like this. Now I am adding coconut cream. Now stir this well. See how nice. Now our mutton soup is ready. It's very tasty and it's very good for kids. Now soup is ready. It's very tasty and good for kids. Now I am going to make kharda mutton or green mutton. For this require one pan. I am going to on the gas. Now I have put oil into it. Now oil is heated well. Now I am going to add kharda or green chili paste into it. Now I am going to add boiled mutton into it. I am going to mix it well. Don't add water at all. How nice color is looking. My gas is at lower medium. Now I am increase the gas on a high. And cook it for another 3 minutes and then I will check it. Now kharda is coated well with mutton. Now I am going to add garam masala. Now I am sprinkle garam masala on it, top of it, and again mix it well. Mutton is ready. Now I am going to plate it.